Okay guys, welcome to this new video. So this is going to be a really particular video because it's not the electronics video or music stuff video, but I have here this Chinese ATX computer power supply. You see, it's just an ATX computer power supply, and this it has no fan anymore. It had a fan, but I just blew it up because this power supply didn't work properly. It has a lot of ripple at the output. In this video I want to give it I have here the 12-volt line which I soldered. I have here this really weird, it's basically a multi-load. You give here 12 volts and there are these car lamps. You can switch like 5 amps, 10 amps, 15 amps, 20 amps, 25 amps and 30 amps of load. So we are gonna overload this power supply only on the 12-volt line. I'm not going to load the 5-volt line, so it's even worse. And because it must be also loaded on the 5-volt line, otherwise you will risk to overheat it. Otherwise, but of course, in this time I'm gonna load only a 12-volt line and also overload it. So I'm gonna load it at around 30 amps, but after some time it's gonna kick in the protection, so I'm gonna then lower the current to like 20 amps, and let's wait for it to blow up then. So I'm gonna set it up and we're gonna do this. Alright, we set it up, everything here. So here's the power supply exposed, and I'm just gonna let's plug this in. Of course, have to be careful, there's mains voltage in here. So let's plug this in. Okay. So let's turn on the power supply. There's a little switch here. You guys see, it switches the green wire with the black wire. Oh, disconnected here. Wait. There it is. Oh shit. Oh, wait a second. It disconnected now. Okay, with crocodile clips now it must stay in place. So let's turn on the power supply. You won't hear anything now because there's no fan anymore, but is it? Yes. So as you can see, it's running now. You may hear a little bit of coil whine. It's the power supply actually. So yeah, it's a 5 amp load now. Let's switch 10 amps, 15 amps. I'm gonna have to reset it. And 20 amps, 25 amps, and 30 amps now. It's doing a really weird coil whine now, but anyways, I'm scared as hell now. Let's wait for it. Oh shit. What is this buzzing noise? Is it the power supply? Yes, it is. I'm scared as hell, bro. Holy shit. It's gonna explode, I know. How big is the explosion going to be? I don't know it. Holy shit. I am scared. Holy shit. It smells like burning. Like overheating motherboard. Probably that. Holy shit. That is hot. Okay. So power supply protection kicked in. And let's see. Let me just turn off the power for a second. I'm gonna just feel how hot are the... Holy shit. Is it... Oh! It did run like for 2 minutes and it's like crazy hot. Oh my god. I can smell like... I can also smell overheating transformer. Like probably this transformer here is probably really hot. No, not really though. Probably the windings in there are really hot. Holy shit, this is... Holy fuck, this is hot. Okay, so let's reduce the load to... It's 25 amps. It was 30 amps, now let's reduce it to 25 amps. Holy fuck, I'm scared as hell, guys. It's already really hot, so I don't think it's really going to take a lot to blow up. Oh my gosh. I'm scared. I can smell it. I can watch it. Oh, it's starting to buzz even more now. Holy fuck. Oh shit. Oh, is that thing still going? Oh, it's smoking. Holy shit! Oh my gosh! Holy fuck! Oh, oh my gosh! Holy shit! Oh, didn't pop the breaker though. Oh my gosh! Oh, fuck! Oh, let me disconnect the power. Oh my god! No way! Holy shit! No way, this was epic! Epic! So the primary side has gone badly. Like the secondary side, yeah, it's hot, but not that hot. Yeah, it's quite hot, but not. Oh, the primary side is like extremely hot. Oh, this was amazing. No way, guys. So yeah, that was it. We popped the power supply. Had this power supply for a while, didn't use it. Oh my gosh. It scared the crap out of me. So yeah, it was it, guys. Look at the primary transistor here. Like all exploded. Yeah. For some reason I'm a little bit shaking, probably because I got scared. But anyways, yeah, this is nice. That was an explosion, bloody hell. Look at the... Look, holy fuck. Okay guys, for this video was it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna see you soon in the next video. Bye guys, it was it for today.